Archaeological evidence shows that 10,000 years ago, men used hemp to make ropes, clothes, paper, and food. Hemp has been used by our civilization for thousands of years because it is an amazing plant. It is easy to grow, harvest, and process. However, hemp was prohibited for many years. There was a big scare campaign in the USA in the 40s, associating marijuana's psychoactive effects with industrial hemp, an easy association to make given their names in Latin, Cannabis Indica and Cannabis sativa. Industrial hemp was vilified by the law, shifting it from one of the most cultivated crops into an almost non-existent one. The truth is, these plants are two distinct strains with different and unique biochemical compositions and different uses. Marijuana is harvested for recreational and medicinal use due to its 10% concentration of the psychotropic component tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC, while industrial hemp's concentration in THC is about 0.2%. And just 100 years ago, if you were shown a marijuana leaf, chances are the automatic association would have been with a hemp leaf. And that's how other products displaced hemp from its traditional uses. Instead of making hemp paper, they started cutting down trees. Instead of using hemp for fiber, they started using petrol, heavily burdening the environment. Nowadays, as we become more conscious of the effects we are having on the environment, hemp is back in the limelight, becoming popular again. Our ancestors ate hemp leaves and seeds and created ropes and textiles from hemp fiber. All these opportunities have been there before, and now we are bringing them to the next level by applying technology. The biggest producers of hemp are currently Canada, China, and France. Other countries like Germany, Chile, Baltic countries, Russia, and Romania are ramping up their hemp production. And for good reason. Hemp has been named an agricultural wonder. Hemp crops leave the soil in better condition after they are harvested. Unlike other crops, cotton for example, which takes so many nutrients out of the ground, hemp puts nutrients back into the ground. Some farmers use it in crop rotation to improve their soil quality. Hemp is a carbon sequestration plant, drawing CO2 from the air. Hemp crops are comparable for CO2 sequestration with 25-year-old forests. Hemp has an amazingly short growth cycle, one of the fastest growing biomasses known. A hemp crop grows fully in only 11 to 12 weeks. That's why hemp crops are the future of environmentally friendly farming. Hemp hardly requires any fertilizers, no herbicides or pesticides, nor fungicides, whereas cotton needs 7 pesticide sprays every season and a massive amount of water compared to hemp crops. The hemp plant can grow between 2 meters to 4 meters in height, and its leaf canopy measures about 70 centimeters across, casts a commanding shadow, and having a fast growth cycle, it is frequently used for weed control. At harvest, every bit of the hemp plant is used. In the early summer, farmers harvest the leaves and flowers in bloom for tea. Hemp seeds harbor some of the most nutritional qualities of the plant. They are shelled or cold pressed to obtain hemp hearts, hemp oil, or hemp protein powder. Hemp is easy to eat. It tastes great and is considered a nutritional powerhouse. Such vitality is locked in its tiny seeds, which turn into fuel for energy when consumed by us. But it doesn't stop there. Hemp products can also be fed to poultry, increasing the concentration of omegas and reducing the trans fats in both eggs and meat. What remains from the hemp plant is the stalk, which is used for its natural fibers, the most resistant natural fibers on the planet. So far, there are over 25,000 commercial and industrial uses for hemp, including rope, clothing, food, pharmaceuticals, paper, textiles, plastics, insulation, and even biofuel. Incredible! That is hemp.